In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to warp objects in Inkscape using two powerful methods that give you full creative control. Whether you want to bend text, distort shapes, or create perspective effects, this guide will walk you through everything step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Inkscape tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to look at the envelope deformation method, which is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to warp objects in Inkscape. Start by selecting the object or path that you want to warp. This can be text, a shape, or even a complex design. Once selected, open the Live Path Effects panel by pressing Ctrl+Shift+7 on your keyboard. When the panel opens, click on the plus icon to add a new effect. From the list, choose Envelope Deformation. As soon as you apply it, you'll see some new on-canvas controls appear around your object. These controls allow you to manipulate the shape in real time. Now, you'll notice options for editing the top, bottom, left, and right bend paths. Click on one of these and you'll see a green line appear on your canvas. This line represents the edge you're about to warp. Simply click and drag this line to bend and reshape your object. You can repeat this for each side to create custom distortions, curves, or even wave-like effects. Take your time here and experiment with different bends. The more you adjust each side, the more unique and dynamic your design will look. This method is perfect for logos, stylized text, and creative illustrations. Now let's move on to the second method, which is called perspective envelope. This method is great when you want to fit an object into a specific shape, like giving it a 3D perspective look. Start by drawing a four-sided shape that will act as your frame. You can use the pen tool by pressing B on your keyboard and create something like a trapezoid or any custom quadrilateral shape. Once your frame is ready, select your object first, then hold Shift and select the frame. The order here matters, so make sure your object is selected before the frame. Next, go to the top menu, click on Extensions, then Modify Path, and choose Perspective. Instantly, your object will warp to fit inside the shape of the frame you created. This is incredibly useful for mock-ups, perspective text, or placing designs onto surfaces like signs or screens. And that's it. You now know two powerful ways to warp objects in Inkscape using envelope deformation and perspective envelope. Both methods are simple once you get the hang of them, and they open up a lot of creative possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.